Yes, today we are meeting live for understanding what is database and what is SQL and why we need to go for SQL, the benefits, the advantages of this technology. Let's get started. Let's understand what is database first, okay? Then we'll understand various job roles or responsibilities and various career aspects and career prospects of this database technology. Then we go for Q&A, questions and answers. Let's get started. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. I'm sure you'll enjoy my trainings. And I wish you all the best for our beautiful step-by-step learning process. Let's get started now. At our SQL school, we have been into this training service for more than 19 years. We are ISO certified organization, and we have been vendors, preferred vendors, training vendors for a good number of MNCs all these years. And today's agenda: what is database, what is SQL, and why we need to go for it. Let's get started now. Let's understand slowly database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no restrictions at all, You can ask me like, Sai, why don't we store our data in an Excel or PDF? Why to go for database? Well, you take Excel and you try to store some usernames and passwords. Usernames anyone can see, everyone can see, right? But what about passwords? Passwords should be secure, isn't it? Barcodes, QR codes, OTPs. So all kind of sensitive information can be easily stored and managed, audited using our new friend database. So database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. And before we step into our job roles, there are basic types of databases we should be aware of. Three basic types: OLTP, data warehouse, and OLAP. Okay? Three basic types. I repeat: online transaction processing database, OLTP, to store live real-time data, live temperature, live stock market operations, anything live, just like a car showroom in the heart of our city, in the mid of our city. And multiple showrooms will have a common godown in general, my experience. Same way, multiple OLTP databases can make use of one common historical store, one inactive data store, a database to store inactive data, a database to store any kind of, say, inactive or archive data or non-business data or any kind of data which is the past history. We call it data warehouse. And why we are learning this today? Yes, to understand our possible job roles in this database technology. Yes, there are three different database types. I'm showing you first two right now on this slide: OLTP and data warehouse. OLTP is like our showroom, data warehouse is like your godown. Another example: OLTP is like a living room in our house. Data warehouse is a store room in our house. Living room, nice ambience, right? Isn't it? In general, we look for good ambience. In general. Warehouse, we look for more storage, more stacking of data, one above the other, right? Stacking of data. That is what we are going to do at our job desk. It's all about OLTP and data warehouse, how to get them designed, either both or any one out of them. Let's understand slowly, step by step, how these are interconnected to each other with a small diagram on my screen. We call it BI, business intelligence. A BI, business intelligence model, involves extracting the data from various sources. Assume a bank environment. You have some savings account, current account, loan account, and some PAN, Aadhaar, SSN, etc. Files, we call flat files. Different data from various data systems should be extracted into a warehouse using something called ETL, extract, transform, and load. What is it? Extract, transform, and load. And from there, we are going to proceed for data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI, reporting, and so on. With this information, we have the concept of Azure BI, Azure Business Intelligence, that involves core data engineering and analytics, Power BI, data mining, data science, and so on. Data engineering involves two broad technologies, ETL and data warehouse, both. And with this small introduction towards three database types, what are they again? OLTP, data warehouse, OLAP, left, middle, right on our screen. With this information, we need to touch databases, we need to deal with databases, we need to read and write and manage databases using a technology called SQL. That is our actual stepping stone, the basement for all our classes. SQL, structured query language. To store, to manipulate, to report. Manipulation is like to modify, to edit the data. To report, manage, monitor, secure, what and what not. Every touch on database needs SQL. Now, with this information, there are certain prominent job roles. We have data engineer job roles, more into ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL and data warehouse concepts. That includes data factory, Synapse, Databricks, data lake, etc. One of the trending technology in the job market right now, good in demand. Yes, there is some technology crunch right now. So companies are looking for good and efficient data engineers who can easily work with data warehouse and ETL technologies. Yes, there is a lot of technology crunch in this area. More demand and less efficient resource hours or less efficient manpower at this moment, as I understand from many recruiters and companies. Other trending technology highly recommended for starters and non-IT to IT shift data analysts. SQL, Excel, Power BI, Python, not Python programming though, it's into Python analytics. Python basics, Python fundamentals, Python architecture, and then Python analytic activities, more into reporting and data extraction. This is another area which is much in demand right now. Yes, there is competition in data analysis, data is job role, no doubt about it. There is competition, but there is always a demand for the best, right? The best in the market towards the technology. Data engineer, Power BI, they go together. They usually gel together. There is separate certification from Microsoft. So either data engineer or data analyst are the preferred technologies. The next priority technology is database administrator, DBA. Data engineer, my first priority towards the best job market availability. Number two, data analyst, the best for starters from non-IT as well as participants who have some gap, some break in their career for some reason. Other important one, database administrator, DBA, the doctor of our databases. Yes, DBA is the doctor. the maintenance, management, repairs, troubleshooting, all kind of housekeeping activities, monitoring and management activities, DBAs will be able to do from our classes. They should be and will be able to do. So our classes starts with basics. Everyday assignments, really everyday assignments right from the introduction class, demo class. We have one introduction and then assignment. Next class again assignment, next class assignment, so on. Our notes looks like this, okay, just to get some idea. So it's completely into practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics, right from introduction, every course proceeds. With this short introduction, now to repeat once again, to recap, we are learning what is database today, types of databases, and how they are interrelated, BI, and our job options, engineer, analyst, administrator. You may go for developer if you are fond of coding, if you are fond of programming. You may surely go for developer. Software installations, I will take care. The prerequisites, always Windows operating system for any Microsoft learning process. So we have various job roles, lengthy curriculum, lengthy subject, and it should be useful, right, for our job role, for our day-to-day job activity. I want you to thank me from your job desk. I want you to thank me from your job desk. You may plan for certifications. In addition to your job resume, you may plan for certifications. You may plan for upskill. You may plan for reskill. You may plan for learning from the scratch. We at SQL School will be available to guide you anytime. With this information, any further questions or clarifications, you can reach me on my number, WhatsApp or call, or reach our happy team at our SQL School. Glad to assist you, and over to you now for questions, doubts and clarifications. Glad to assist you. Yes, any questions, anyone, please do let me know and we'll take it from there one by one, please. Yes, over to you now. Any questions, anyone, please let me know. Please put on chat and we'll take it from there, please. We'll do. Lokesh Yadav, I could see your one message over there. Lokesh Yadav, please tell me your question. I'll wait, please. Lokesh Yadav, I could see one question over there. Please let me know. We'll take it from there, please. Others, anyone, any more questions, please let me know. Of course, you have my contact number, anyone, everyone, right? You have my contact number. You can contact me directly, or you may reach our team. Anything is fine, as you wish. Yes, anyone, any questions? Let me just monitor from my other computer as well, just in case. Yes, anyone, any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Fine. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and see you soon in our actual classes. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Thank you so much.